If you don't pay too much attention to what you eat, your diet is probably full of refined flour. If your meals consist of bagels, toast, cereal, wraps, pizza, or pasta, refined flour has crept its way into your daily routine. Flour is produced by crushing grains. It's then used for bread, cereals, crackers, cookies, pizza dough. The list goes on. It causes an acid-alkaline imbalance. A healthy pH level in the body is 7.4. A diet high in acidic foods forces the body to take the calcium away from the bones. Grains are considered to be acidic food. Studies have shown that a diet high in refined grains is linked to bone loss. An acidic diet also damages the immune system, making the body more vulnerable to disease. It raises blood sugar levels. If you have a habit of choosing wheat because you believe it's the healthier option, think again. Foods made with wheat flour are even more damaging to your body. A carbohydrate in wheat known as amylopectin A is more easily converted to blood sugar than any other carbohydrate. Just 2 slices of wheat bread can raise your blood sugar levels higher than several candy bars or 6 teaspoons of table sugar. It slows down your metabolism. Research has shown that the body may end up shifting nutrients into fat storage when you consume foods that are high on the glycemic index. Instead of fueling your body, foods made with refined flour slow down fat burning and actually promote fat storage. This process causes your metabolism to slow down, which can lead to weight gain. It destroys gut health. Studies have shown that the lectins in grains cause inflammation to the lining of the gut. When you ingest refined flour, 80% of the fiber in the food is lost. Your body doesn't get the fiber it needs and the carbohydrates end up released rapidly. Without fiber, your body isn't able to clean the debris out of your gut to help your body detox. Wheat now contains more gluten than ever before. People who have gluten sensitivity are often unaware of the underlying problem that's causing their symptoms.